The slip stitch is a great thing for beginners to learn. It's a very easy way to give your project some edging and look more completed. The slip stitch can be done on any sort of stitch, such as a single crochet or triple crochet or anything like that. For today, I'll be using this double crochet swatch. And if you need to learn how to double crochet, I will link a video up here that shows you how to do that. This is a very simple stitch to learn. All we're going to do is go directly into our first double crochet stitch. We're going to grab the yarn from behind. You don't yarn over anything, you just bring that yarn through the loop. Insert your hook, grab the yarn from behind, bring it straight through. Insert, grab the working yarn, pull it through. And as you can see here, it is kind of closing off the work and finishing it like I was talking about earlier. Just helps make your project look a little better when it's completed. Sometimes in crochet, you'll be using a slip stitch to move to a different chain. You will see it in your patterns often. And it's as simple as that. You can see there across the top, that's what your slip stitch will look like. Be sure to catch some of my other videos in the Basics of Crochet series to help you learn this craft.